Hey guys, I'm laughing because we got quite the weird situation here today. So I know it's been a little bit since I've been out here and actually doing some foraging. Things have been hectic, but so I came out here to fire up the forge today, and there's a bird's nest inside the actual forge. When I walked up, the bird actually flew out at me, so it's presently being used. So, today's project went from foraging to building a birdhouse.